Sweet. Oh, I thought that was coming down on us. For sure.
Just wanted to scoop up.
Got any bombs on that thing? I didn't know you.
Stay still.
I was getting ready to duck.
I know you were.
Well, I didn't think you were gonna pull it off. That's the thing.
Pulling off itself.
Left, right, left, right, left, right. Which one?
Turn.
Uh-oh. Bet you can't go under the light pole.
It's a challenge.
It's a challenge that's not gonna happen today. We should put like bridges out here and stuff. Oh my gosh.
That was pretty good.
Well, it was like going up, down. I was like, do you have control of that thing or not? No. Oh my god. It's a lot better now, isn't it?
Yeah, there's no wind over here.
That thing is busting if it runs into me, just so you know. There's no mercy.
Oh, I won't hit you, I promise. Thing's cruising, isn't it?
Yeah, it's fine. Going pretty good. Oh. Oh yeah, this looks pretty fun. Get 2 minutes 50 seconds, almost 3 minutes. Can you do 5 seconds longer? Uh-oh. Okay, what's different now than this morning?
Skill.
Skill my ass. Luck.
Not so much.
I'm going for my 15 minutes of fame here. Your pilot blacked out, by the way. Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
Oh no. Oh, sweet.
Oh, turn off. Oh, thank God. Well, not bad at all.